morning, guys. I hope everybody's doing fine. Actually, it's a beautiful morning here in Kenya because it's raining, It just finished raining and right now it's still drizzling, so it's a beautiful morning. So guys, today we're gonna be making something very tasty. We'll be making, ta-da, plantain. I got these plantains in Carrefour, they're very yummy. Eggs, and then we have spinach, capsicum, tomatoes, onion, and green chili. Not forgetting Swiss chard. It's not spinach, I'm sorry. In Kenya we always call this Swiss chard. We call Swiss chard spinach, and spinach is something totally different. I know spinach. And also we'll be having some mushrooms. And guys, see what I got. Ta-da! I got Kerrygold Irish. It's from Ireland. This is a gift. Thank you so much, Jennifer and Cheryl, for the butter. Thank you. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now we'll start with our gas stove. We'll put our gas stove. We're going to deep fry the plantain. So now you just take your plantain like this, and then you peel it like that, just like that. No wasting, but anyway, it will just peel itself. And some people like plantain when it's very ripe. Some they like it at this texture. Me, I like at this texture. So my cut, I always go like this, not very thin, like that. This plantain, actually it's somehow hard in the inside. It's supposed to be soft. Guys, don't forget to comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, our plantain, they're looking like this. So now the next step is you just make sure your oil is not super hot. Mine actually is super hot. You just drop them just like that, easy. You put as much as your pan can hold. I think my pan can hold everything, so it will be one time cooking. And make sure you don't put too much oil, because if you put too much oil and it will spill, that's a very bad fire hazard. Guys, now let me cut our onions for our eggs. I want to make it dice, medium dice, just like that. And take your hands, just cut normal how you cut. Wow, that onion is super spicy. Start with our tomato. We're gonna dice them as well. We want everything in the same style, just like that. And the plantain is smelling amazing. Tomato I'll keep for Mali. Actually guys, Mali, she's on timeout because he was acting very naughty. Next, capsicum. Same style. My knife really need to be sharpened. I don't know where I'll get something to sharpen the knife. It's very blunt, it's not cutting. And there is nothing dangerous like a blunt knife. You know, a sharp knife, it's very hard to cut you. But a blunt knife, the chances of getting cut are so high. Guys, we'll be using our green chili as well, just one. I don't know if it's spicy or not. Actually, this chili I was given by the shopkeeper when I went to buy tomatoes because I didn't have tomatoes. Guys, now we will cook our scrambled egg, vegetable scrambled egg. So I put cooking oil just little because I want to use butter. So I'll just finish with this my butter here. And as I told you, it's always good to put butter with little oil so that the butter will not burn. The next step, put your onion in. Don't forget your plantain. You turn them around. Wow, I love this Irish butter. It's so nice. It smells amazing. I'll just add a little there. Whoa! So guys, for Swiss chard, what we're gonna do, I'll just take them like that and I'll cut them just like that, big, just chop them. Just like that, easy peasy. Guys, now we'll put our tomato in our onion. I don't want my onion to caramelize so much. So I'll just put my tomato. Then I'll give it a stir. Capsicum and green chili also in. Just like that. Then you stir and salt in. For the spices of the day, we're just using paprika. Just little paprika. Curry powder, just little curry powder, and that's it. No honky business. Guys, now we will remove our plantain. It's cooked, and some people like it to be darker, so I have two colors here. Just like that. It's very easy to cook. Actually, here people like it when it's little like charred. I don't know why. Guys, now we'll crack our baby chicken egg. Just like that. And we'll put little salt, because you remember we put salt there, but we just put salt, just little, to help it break down. And we whisk it. just take your egg, you run it over, just like that. Make sure you remove everything, and just like that. Then cover and reduce your heat. We want it to bake like it's baking. Guys, you see how our eggs are looking? So now we just stir. Give it a nice stir, and then again cover it so that it will turn to swell. So now guys, we will saute our Swiss chard and the mushroom. Now we take our butter, just like that. My pan already have little oil, so butter in, mushroom in, salt in, and don't put too much salt because the Swiss chard, it always have salt. Mushroom, nicely cooked. Swiss chard in. And make sure don't forget your eggs. Wow, the eggs are becoming very nice, fluffy, delicious, and the smell is amazing. Guys, our sauté mushroom and Swiss chard, it's done. The egg is done, so now we'll just close the gas stove, and then we'll be having pineapples as well. This pineapple, you may look at it and you think, wow, the best pineapple in the whole world. Oh no, it's not. It's somehow sour. Actually, me, the best pineapples that I've eaten is for Uganda, because even Del Monte, Kenya, it's not that sweet. But the ones for Uganda, I think that's their species. It's amazing. And you know, guys, me, I don't usually remove the core of the pineapple. I eat it whole. I eat the whole pineapple. The only thing I remove is the skin. The skin is out. Just think and cut it like that, not too much drama. Because this pineapple, it's really... And guys, do you know that pineapple usually eats you? When you're eating the pineapple, while you're eating, it's also eating you. That's why you feel your mouth painful sometimes when you're eating the pineapple. The enzymes in the pineapple, they can eat you. Hum, hum, hum. Guys, our breakfast is finished and it's looking amazing. The scrambled eggs with mixed veggies, mushroom with Swiss chard. We have a pineapple and a plantain. So guys, please comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend. So guys, let's taste and see. So let's just start with the plantain. Guys, it's amazing. The food tastes amazing, and it's a nice healthy breakfast for your kids, for your family, for your grandma, for your grandpa, if you have. It's very healthy. Even for your dog, but if you cook for your dog, don't put oil, not oil, don't put butter, just do it like little oil, and you can still give your dog the same food if you love. So guys, I'll be telling you bye bye from my world. Bye bye, adios, masalam.